G'day, I'm Carly and my husband and I run Splitters Farm in Bundaberg. We're located 10 minutes out of Bundaberg CBD, and we started the farm really to give our kids a rural upbringing, get some dirt under their fingernails and get them off screens. But essentially what we've created is a safe haven for rescued animals from around the district who have come to us through drought or abuse or change of circumstances, which is hard, but I guess here they get the love of us and they get everyone else's love as well. We're a working cattle farm. We run about 30 cows at any one time. But yeah, we run weekend tours and hopefully looking to expand into daily tours as we open our 40 campsites and 8 glamping tents in 2020. So we're really excited to be able to offer that. It allows then people to stay on the farm and have a bit more of a farm stay experience, see what work goes into it. We've, worming animals and vaccinating cows and there's collecting eggs every day. There's a lot to be done, so it gives people a more rounded experience on the farm by being able to stay here overnight. We run farm tours Saturdays and Sundays at 10 a.m. And during that 1.5 hour walking trip, we walk from paddock to paddock and we give people the experience to feed the animals, collect eggs, meet our rescue babies. They get to find out a little bit about how they came to us. And you can bottle feed pigs, which were born 4 days ago. So every tour is different depending on what's happening on the farm. No tour is the same, and that's the exciting thing about living out on Splitters. So Bundaberg's really known for being Australia's agricultural hotpot. A lot of the nation's produce comes from this region, and it's really exciting to be able to offer families a farm stay experience where they can come to an area, experience all the food and the amazing produce that comes from the area, but also see the animals swim in the creek, kayak, possibly see a platypus. There's just so much diversity in this region, and we're right on the doorstep to the Great Barrier Reef. So we have a real community aspect to this farm in Bundaberg. The brilliant thing about us is the tours that we run, all the money goes back into feeding the animals. Every animal here is supplement fed at the moment because we are in drought. So that takes a lot of money. It's approximately anywhere from $500 to $600 a week, depending on how many animals we have at any one time. So the money from the tours funds that, veterinary costs, and everything it takes for us to maintain healthy animals and livestock.
Jasper, isn't he beautiful? Hold him nice and still.
We also have a Scraps for Splitters program, so we go out to local cafes who have offered to help us with scraps, food pulp from juices, and every afternoon I'm picking up bins and that goes straight towards our animals as well. The pigs love it. We've also been able to partner recently with Ohana Winery through the supply of our honey from our flow hives, which is fabulous because we really love the idea of making something, alcoholic from our produce. But it's been really exciting to collaborate with them on that, and the end product's been amazing, so really exciting. But there is a massive sense of community through our visitors, through local business, and other tour operators. So yeah, we welcome you to bring your family to meet ours. You can find us on Facebook, TripAdvisor, on our website, and we hope to see you out here. Hooroo!